Back. Today we are going to be talking about my favorite Dollar Tree travel accessories and items because I know although a lot of us are still doing social distancing and quarantine and stuff, people are starting to do road trips and small weekend trips with their family and like people they know that are safe. So I want to share some great travel items that you can find at the Dollar Tree that are like literally everything there is $1. Like some of the items I have on this list that I'm going to be showing this video, they are at Target, they're at CVS, they're at Walgreens and Kroger and all those other stores, and they're at least starting at $3. And that's insane to me. So save your money. Like when you can, you should be able to save your money and just go to the Dollar Tree and get these items. And they're name brand items too, which is what gets me. Like I can go to Target and CVS now and go, oh, someone's overpaying for that. Someone's overpaying for that. So even if it's not for traveling, just like to throw in your weekend bag and go for everyday items, these are still amazing prices to get these items. So here are my list of favorite Dollar Tree travel items. First, there are potato chips. They have tons of other snacks as well, but I like these potato chips the best because they are quality and they're only $1. There's some gum so you can freshen your breath whether you're on a road trip or in a plane. There's vitamin C packets that you can easily just throw in your bag and go. And they also have pins, which are like 3 pins in one pack for $1. You never see that anywhere. Disinfectant wipes. It's getting harder and harder to find some disinfectant wipes, and they're always gone in Target and other bigger stores. So finding this size in a decent sized container for $1 is wonderful. Banana Boat sunscreen. At Kroger and CVS, these start at like $3. Finding it for $1 at the Dollar Tree is a total score. A small personal pack of Tylenol, extra strength. These will never be $1 in Kroger or CVS or anywhere else. A twin pack of hand sanitizer. One bottle alone would never be $1 at CVS or Kroger, Giant Eagle, any of the bigger stores. So it's awesome finding a 2-pack for $1. This is awesome because they can do double packs at other stores, but they're running at like $3. Finding all of these for $1 is great. I love the Bounce dryer sheets because they're great to just stuff into my backpacker bag or my suitcase, my carry-on or something. And it'll just make everything smell so good. A high quality shower cap. This one is pretty thick, and I was surprised by how thick it actually was. And it has a soft, kind of fuzzy, almost lining inside that will protect your hair, not snag your hair and things like that. Vaseline lip therapy. These start at like $2 or $3 in the drugstores, so finding these for $1 at the Dollar Tree was absolutely awesome. The Say Yes To brand face mask. They have the T-Zone one with charcoal, they have the tomato one for acne, and they have the coconut one for moisturizing. These are never so cheap in any other stores. Dollar Tree has various brands of hand lotion, but this lotion is one of my favorites because it absorbs so quickly. It doesn't leave a greasy residue. Crest 3D white toothpaste. Now you guys know that even in the travel size, this would never be $1. I snatched up a few and I have them ready for whenever I need to throw toothpaste in my carry-on. So those are my favorite Dollar Tree travel items, and I hope that you guys find some new things that you just want to snatch up and put in your next carry-on bag for your next trip or in your road trip. whatever you need it for. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.